Birds are chirping, flowers are blooming, and spring is officially here. Before you set out to garden, the Native Plant Society hopes you choose homegrown.
They can do themselves a favor by choosing plants that require less maintenance and also do the environment a favor.
Bob Askins with the Society's Midlands chapter says native plants like this white redbud tree are easier to care for than exotic ones. Plus, they help feed animals and bugs.
The caterpillars that birds depend on to feed their young cannot eat Asian plants. They have to have native plants to grow. The same sort of thing is true for many of our butterflies and native bees.
A wonderful tree.
Keith Mearns is director of grounds for Historic Columbia. He's pushing native plant efforts too, replacing much of the gardens at the historic Robert Mills House with these East Coast blooms.
They can fulfill a role in your garden. They're very robust and really simple to deal with, but they also support our native ecosystem better than the exotics do.
Not all exotic plants are bad, but Askins says some can pose a serious problem, like the infamous Bradford pear tree.
We call those invasive plants, and the problem with those is that they can crowd out the native species, and so it makes it difficult for both plants and the animals that rely on the native plants.
To help promote native plants in the Midlands, Historic Columbia and the Native Plant Society are hosting a plant sale on March 25th and 26th at the Robert Mills House. We have the details on our website, WLTX.com. In Columbia, Julia Kaufman, News 19, WLTX.